Hi, this is Rakshita and welcome back to my channel. So, today my topic is about what every young girl seeks clarity for. It's nothing but pads, tampons, and menstrual cup. Like, which is better and what are pros and cons of each. So I'm going to divide it into specific topics and I'm going to compare three of them. So the first thing that you need to concern about is comfort. When you compare all these three, the more comfortable is menstrual cups and tampons, but once after you get used to it only. And when we speak about pads, they are user friendly, but there is more chances of slipping away from its place. So what I prefer is menstrual cup or tampon for comfort, but only after once you get used to it. The second thing that you need to concern about is leakage. In pads, like there is more leakage compared to tampons and menstrual cups, and in menstrual cups there is zero leakage. So obviously the menstrual cups is the best when you see in leakage. And the third thing that you need to concern about is infections that you may get if you use the particular thing. The first one that we are going to speak about is pads. In pads there is more chances of getting bacterial and fungal infections, and obviously rashes. And when you speak about tampons, there are chances, but compared to pads there are less. In tampons you may get infections due to the chemicals also which are in tampons, because tampons make your vaginal cavity dry. So there is more chance of getting TSS, which is toxic shock syndrome. If you forget to change your tampons or if you delay changing, there is more chance of getting TSS. So when you speak about menstrual cups, there are very less chances of getting any infection, because menstrual cups do not contain any chemicals, so it don't change uh, the natural bacterial habitat of the vaginal cavity. And there is no chemical. The only thing is it's made of silicone. So if you have any allergic reaction towards silicone, it's better not to use. But if you don't have any reaction towards silicone, it's more preferable to use menstrual cup. And till date there is only one case of TSS, which means toxic shock syndrome. So there is no much concern you need to have about menstrual cup, that is about infections or any toxic TSS. So the next thing that you speak about is cost efficiency. So which are cost efficient? The most cost efficient is menstrual cup, because you just need one menstrual cup. You can use it for 10 years, like maybe more also. The only thing is, after your cycle, you just need to boil in you just need to put it in boiling water and sanitize it and put it in your box.
That's the only thing you need to do, and you can use it for 10 years or maybe more also.
So obviously if you buy it once, you're using for so many years, so it's more cost efficient compared to other two. Tampons you need to change for every 6 hours. Once you use it, you are going to throw it, so you need to keep on changing it for every 6 hours. So
For example, per day you are using for one day, and night you are using 4, which means almost for 4 days you are using 16. So you can calculate with that.
and then when we speak about pads, even pads you need to change for every 5 hours, so even they are not cost efficient. And when we speak about eco-friendly, pads are not at all eco-friendly. Menstrual cups, or you are not throwing it for 10 years or something, so there's no much concern you need to think about. And when you speak about tampons, yeah, they contain some chemicals, or obviously it causes some like environmental hazard. But when you see these three, the more less is menstrual cup, as you are not going to throw it so easily. And the second is tampon, because it's comparatively to pads, it's less. So these are the things mostly which you see when you are going to choose one of these. So when we analyze all the pros and cons of all these three, the more comfortable, user-friendly, cost-efficient, and which makes you less prone to the infections is menstrual cup. I would personally prefer it, and I would suggest everyone to prefer for that. So choose it wisely. Think about environment, your safety, everything. So yeah. So I hope this video has given you the basic information that every girl needs to know. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment down, and click on the bell icon for further notifications of my videos. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.